Hello everyone, my name is Sarun Makazu. I'm from Nepal, currently pursuing my master degree at Laptop University in the field of electronics engineering, where I completed my bachelor degree in my own country in the field of electrical and electronic engineering. Today, the main motivations to make on this video to talk on about sustainability, environment practice and regulation in the field of electrical and electronic industry. Before going to the discussions on main topic, we should know some terminology like what is sustainability, environment practices and regulations. Now let's first start with what is sustainability. It is defined as to meet the present generation's need without affecting our future demand. So electronic industry focus on to make a good environment electronic products that can be used for long term and not affecting the environment at the same time. Second one is environment practice. Our environment is right now face a very serious problem, and one of the main reasons is considered as the electronic industry, because during the manufacturing of electronic products there is lots of energy is required, which emits the very harmful gases, which is not good for our health at the same time our environment. So our electronic industry focus on these things to provide a better environment in the upcoming times. And third one is regulation. It is defined as the act and policies that made by the some organizations which is must followed by the industry. For example, in case of the electronic industry, the restrictions of hazardous substance directive and waste electrical and equipment directives are the some organization which makes the certain rules and regulations for electronic industry, which is to achieve the goal environment practices and sustainability in the upcoming times. Since our life is full surrounded by the electronic product, for our simple work to our office work, we use the electronic product. But we ever not notice that this electronic product also cause challenges to achieve the sustainability and environment practices goals. So what are the challenges that electronic industry right now to facing to achieve these goals? The first one is considered as energy consumption. During the manufacturing of electronic product, there are lots of energy are required, and that emit the very harmful and toxic gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide gases, which is not good for health and environment also. The second one is waste management. The waste that can be generated from the electronic industry is categorized as a e-waste, and the e-waste is right now increasing day by day in the old world, because with the growing technology we all wanted to the advanced electronic product, and we just replace the old electronic product by the new one, and we throw this electronic product in the trash. If we don't have a better plan and policies that how can we use this e-waste from the trash, then it causes a very serious problem. In some old part of the country, people burn the electronic product to minimize the e-waste. But this is not better solution, because when we burn this electronic product, it causes the emissions of toxic gases and greenhouse gases, which is not good for health and the environment. And the third one is pollution. If we throw the electronic product in this land and the water, these electronic product react with them and causes the pollutions of these resources, which is very harmful and not achieve our sustainability goal and very negative impact to our environment. There are the some picture that we can see where the electronic waste can be increases day by day and emissions of the very toxic gases. These are the main challenges right now electronic industry faces. But there are the some regulatory bodies which help to minimize these challenges in the upcoming times. For example, in the case of restrictions of hazardous substance directive, restrict the use of very hazardous substance like lead, cadmium and mercury in the manufacturing of electronic product. Waste electrical and electric equipment directive give the idea how can we reuse, recycle this electronic waste to make a useful product. And electronic product environment assessment to provide an idea and certain policies that how can we use this e-waste. So these are the some regulatory bodies that make act and policies for electronic industry, which is happily accepted by electronic industry to achieve the environment and sustainability goal in the good times and provide a better environment for the future. So what are the things that electronic industry right now doing to achieve this thing? First one is energy delivery. As we already said, there is lots of energy is required to manufacturing of electronic products. So to minimize this energy consumption, people are right now focused on renewable source of energy like solar and wind and nuclear energy, which causes the not emissions of toxic gases and provide the energy as required to start the electronic product. So it is a very good idea right now. Electronic industry are more inclined toward the renewable source of energy. Second one is electronic system design. As we said that the hazardous substance directive restrict to use of hazardous substance like lead, and so the electronic industry right now use the silicon, and also the chips which is used for the energy efficiency that can be replaced by the AI technology or new software, so they can minimize the negative impact on the environment. And second one is silicon technology to optimize the energy uses for better environment, like silicon technology and silicon photons and quantum computing method can be used to adapting the sustainability and environment practices. Here in the picture we can see that the solar and wind energy that can be used to produces the energy, and in the car that can uses the electronic energy which not emit the harmful gases like carbon monoxide, and helps to provide a better sustainability and environment practices which save our all for the present time and also upcoming times. So these are the things right now electronic industry accepting to achieve the sustainability and environment practices. As we already say, there are some challenges that electronic industry faces, but with the growing of the time, these challenges can be minimized by the electronic industry to achieve the sustainability and environment practices. There are some references that I can take on to make these slides. So these are the things that I right now doing. Thank you.